嗨，大家好，我是二宝爸爸熊哥。我现在站在的是我邻居家的院子里，他们现在正在自己做一个 DIY 的 job， 我们看一看。How long did it will take?
It's taken, I would say, probably 2 days.
2 days.
To do back, side, and to here.
Ah, you know, 2 years ago,
Yeah.
I did the same thing.
Oh, did you?
Did you do
Yeah.
it yourself, yeah?
No. I don't have the long ladders and
Okay.
I don't have the skill like you.
Oh,
You know how much I spent?
okay.
500.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
That's not bad. I think parts we paid probably like
300.
Yeah. So to be honest,
You said you own whole one.
So this land, you bought it or you
yeah, we bought it probably about 8 years ago.
8 years ago?
So
Oh,
we use it for a lot.
yeah, that's quite a long time you can use. All right,
Definitely.
definitely.
So let's go.
Oh, can I take a run? Have a
You
look.
can. Don't trip over.
Okay, okay.
You fall in.
Rubbish.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. 这一堆东西。
Chela, Rivas, Tony Dark Eyes. Girando por mi cabeza, pude recordar los momentos que un día me diste mi vida. Y sabes, no me interesa, not really. Ya tú me da igual. Hoy te dejo por más que me ruegues mi vida. Y yo no entiendo qué es lo que me está pasando. Mi corazón a mí va revolucionando. Tengo toda mi vida y para adelante me sigo. Y sin ti yo te digo que el fuego de tus celos me estaba quemando, que tu traición a mí me estaba envenenando, que voy a aprender a vivir sin ti. Rest in peace, hoy te entierro mi vida. Tus dulces besos en mi piel.
Hello。整体感觉上呢，专业找人去做，确实效果上会好那么一点点，但是从成本上来讲，还是会省很大一部分钱。如果你自己去做，这就是为什么国外的人，他们还是喜欢尽量自己去 DIY， 而且他们也会准备很多材料在家里头。今天的节目就到这里吧，下次再见，我是二宝妈妈。